Okay, so basically, we're just going to use some of your exponent properties today with a couple more things. So a quick refresher, if you're multiplying terms, then you add their exponents together. If you have like powers raised to another power, then you're going to multiply the exponents instead. So on this one, you'd end up with 256 times x to the 12th. What we're looking at today is basically a special number called e. It's an irrational number, kind of like pi is 3.14. E is just approximately 2.71. So if you're simplifying powers of e, you just use your exponent properties like you would with any other variable. So if you're multiplying all these together, you'd add your exponents. 9 and 6 are like terms, so you could make it 15. 5x can't be combined, and you're good. If you're simplifying this one, you would divide 60 by 12, which gives you 5. And then if you have powers top and bottom of your fraction, we subtract them. Like if it's x to the third over x squared, you subtract 3 minus 2 and get 1. Here you're going to subtract top power minus bottom power, which is just 8 minus x. So really it's just using things you already know. E is a number, not a variable. It works the same way though. If I break down this radical, I could turn 16 into 4 and 4. I could take it all the way into 2's, but I'm not going to. I'm listing out how many e's I have. It's a square root, so for every 2 factors, you get to bring one outside. So you end up with square root of 16 gives you 4, and then 3 factors of e gives you 4e to the third. Here you have some expression being raised to the third power. So I'm going to write it out with everything's power being multiplied by 3. If you actually do that multiplication, you have negative 1,000 for your negative 10 to the third, and then e to the negative 15x. Because that's a negative exponent on my e, I'm just going to go ahead and make it in the denominator as e to the positive 15x. It's kind of a toss-up if you have to do that on e's, but I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now I'm going to give